you have such a corrupt court with people who don't feel any commitment to a set of ethical standards that any, public officials should have to live up to. What happened in Dobbs, what's happened with our gun legislation. Now we're just past the point where I feel like there's any credibility there. And that's what brought me to the steps of the Supreme Court, being like, it is time for fundamental change. And thanks to you, I understand Congress can make it. We don't have to, wait for a constitutional amendment, or, Congress can make a real difference here. And that is exciting.
Yeah. So my journey to this issue really starts in law school. I happen to be a first-year law student at Harvard University during Bush v. Gore. So I got to go through my entire legal training with the full understanding that the Supreme Court is political. Because when you look at Bush v. Gore, when you look at the stated opinions, especially of the Republican-appointed justices, they flipped their doctrinal, jurisdictional, jurisprudential positions in order to appoint George W. Bush as president. And that was obvious on the face of their ruling. And so I got to go through all of law school with law professors, including current Supreme Court Justice Elena Kagan, trying to tell me that the court was above politics. And I was like, nah, that doesn't make sense, because if they were above politics, then Al Gore's the president right now,